Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ceramic Fun Tips and Techniques. In this video I'm going to show you where to find Fashionhues translucent paint. If you click on a new tab, you can then type in fashionhues.com. That's FASHENHUES.com. When I enter, it will look up and take me to the Fashionhues website. If you click Shop Translucent Stains, it will take you to a page where you can buy them. You can buy individual ones here. If we scroll down, individual colors, or at the top they do have a starter kit you can buy. The starter kit has several colors, or they have a deluxe kit. You can also click in here and find that base coat colors. Remember I told you there were two of them, white and cream. So if we type base coat and then click search, it takes us to the cream color and the white. We have two sizes, 4 ounce or 8 ounce. You could probably get the 4 ounce for starters. And then they have also the kits are on here also. And you could purchase them, put them in your cart and buy them to get what you need to paint the items. So this is where you find it. You can also search and find other dealers who do have Fashionhues paint, but this is their main page. So hope this helps you. Tune in later for actual use of painting. See you later.